Hi everyone, I'm Vera and today I'll show you how to block ads and online trackers on your Mac. Every day, companies spies on your online habits to show you targeted ads or adjust prices to boost profits. With StopAd from MacKeeper, you can stop online tracking, block annoying ads, and love the web again. Here's how it works. StopAd is a powerful advertising and tracking blocker. It works as an extension for Safari and Google Chrome. To start using the StopAd feature in Safari, click Enable and open Safari Preferences. To get it set up, select all the MacKeeper StopAd checkboxes. Let's check that everything is working well. Yep, there's the MacKeeper icon right there. Now I can check the total number of blocked ads and trackers by clicking on it. By default, StopAd will block ads and trackers on all websites. But if I switch this toggle button, I can also personalize my StopAd settings, which web pages the StopAd extension works on, whether I block ads, trackers, or both, and so on. Let's switch back to MacKeeper to install the StopAd extension for Google Chrome. To set it up, click the Install button here. Simply press Add to Chrome in Chrome Web Store, then confirm it by clicking Add Extension. StopAd is all set. Again, to get more control over the extension, click on the MacKeeper icon. Here I can see the number of blocked ads and trackers and choose where they blocked, everywhere online or only on specific pages. Now I can enjoy everything I love about the web without ads or frustrating web trackers that slow down my browsing. Great! Now you're ready to set up StopAd and enjoy fast, clean and safe browsing. If you have any questions or feedback, contact me in support chat or email. Thanks for watching!